Hello, my fellow hearty mystical friends, humans, whatever you'd like to be called. Welcome back to Under the Willow Tree. I'm Elizabeth, and today we're going to be making, or trying to make, Chamberlains' favorite food, which is a burrito. Like, I'm not sure that's true, but I swear to God, on her Instagram, like a few months ago, and her YouTube channel, that's all she ate. So we're just gonna assume it's that. If it's not, well, you get a fun, tasty burrito anyways. So we're gonna try it making this. Instead of rice, we're gonna use quinoa. You can also swap out the flour tortillas for any gluten-free option if you are avoiding that for any reason. And most of this is going, no, all of this is gonna be oil-free, so yay, less things to buy. So if you wanna see what I come up with, we're gonna take it down to the ground. That's where I fell, but we're gonna take it down to the ground and get to it. So in a skillet, you are going to place it over medium heat, and then you're going to add in some freshly diced tomatoes, some seasonings, along with some tomato sauce. Then you are just going to saute that for about 5 minutes until the tomatoes become cooked down. Then you're just going to add in some cooked quinoa. And then you're just going to mix that together until it becomes evenly coated, and each little piece is no longer white, but it's like this beautiful red tint. And then for assembly, you're just going to get out a tortilla, and you're just going to place some of that tomato-based quinoa down the middle, along with some refried beans, some black beans, and some guacamole. And you can use any other additional add-ins that you would like here. So you can do like roasted red peppers, you could do corn, but make sure it's non-GMO corn, because like that's just not good for you. But anywho, yeah, any other vegetables you like. You can even add some like pico de gallo in here, along with maybe if you just want regular avocado, go for it. So you can really just customize it to whatever you like. And you can also freeze it after you're done with this. So if you don't want to eat it right away, you can just fold it up and put it in an airtight container and put it in the freezer for up to 2 months, and then just heat it up in the oven, and boom. You find yourself an easy to make meal. So anyways, then you're just going to fold it like this. You're going to bring the ends together, and then you're going to take the side and then just kind of tuck it all in and then wrap it down. I feel like that wasn't a great description, but that was the best you're getting right now. And then you can just cut it in half, or like I said, you can put it in the freezer, and boom, you are done. So I forgot I was filming, and I just decided that I was going to eat all of them, and I luckily saved one for this, and it's just so good. Like, all the flavors mesh together really well. Like guacamole, you got the tomato rice mixed with the savory beans. You're just like, It just tastes so good. So if you want to see, know how to make the whole recipe, I'll have the recipe linked in the description. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video under the willow tree. And also thank you, Emma, for this recipe. I mean, she didn't give me the recipe because I made it up, but like, thank you for the inspiration.